So the Tata Motors AGM took place today. What's important was the announcement by the chairman N. Chandra that the company will be at a nearly zero debt levels in the next 3 years. And that's an important announcement, and that's why the market also reacted. You saw a rise in the stock in the closing trade. What's important is that he also spoke about the fact that the investments were cut by almost 50% last year, and this will be the way it will happen on the way forward as well. What's also important is that the company went ahead and Chandra said that they will be monetizing the non-core assets. Apart from that, there hasn't been any specific strategy which is being given by Chandra to the shareholder of how this will happen, how they will cut the debt levels. Now, many are talking about one, the partnership which will take place, the partnership, the strategic partnership which the company is talking about in the PV business. Remember, the PV business will become a different subsidiary in the next 12 months, and the plan is to monetize the same. So that can be one area. But remember that the Tata Motors debt at this point of time stands at 48,000 crores. So it's a number, it's a big amount. Even speaking about the passenger vehicle business and the partnership they are looking at, if you look at the the global phenomena right now, the way it's happening, not a lot of companies have a lot of cash on them, especially the automotive ones. If there are companies who are willing to invest, are the Chinese companies. I've been told by my sources, and I had reported earlier as well, that Tata Motors had started speaking to some of them, but the deal didn't fructify. That is precisely the reason. Where will that money come from? Who will be the new partner? Is really interesting to see. What's also important is the fact that if you look at non-core assets, the company at this point of time at least does not have a lot of non-core assets with them. They had Concord, which were their showrooms were opened by which was opened and operated by the company. They are anyhow no more there, and the company has said they will exit them. Apart from Concord, we really don't see a lot of non-core assets in the system. So it will be interesting of which non-core assets majorly will the company let go of. So that's an important part. But more important is where will the cash come from. Speaking about JLR, Chandra said that China market is doing better and they're expecting growth to come back. They also said in the PV business they will remain to be in the business, but he made an important statement saying that in the PV business you might or you can see the company going EBITDA positive. So that can be a positive sign for Tata Motors, but not a lot of guidance on how will the company really get back the market share. More importantly, the volumes and also the amount of cash which is needed to get to a zero debt level. So it will be very important to see of which of the assets which the company will pick, and will it be able to cut down debt as significantly as been promised by the chairman today at the AGM.